Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll be using Rickarumi Spin Spin yarn. It's a double knit weight yarn and recommends a 3 to 4 millimeter crochet hook. For a hacky sack, we want a nice tight tension, so the filling stays securely inside even after lots of tossing and kicking. A simple way to check if your hook size is suitable is to wrap the yarn around the shaft of the hook. If the yarn fits comfortably around the hook, without looking too loose or too tight, then it's a good match for the project. For this sample, I'll be using a 3 millimeter crochet hook to create a firm, tight fabric. Towards the end of this video, I'll share the color change patterns for these different designs. They all follow the same crochet pattern. The only difference is the color combinations used throughout the project. Feel free to choose your favorite colors and make it your own. If you're ready, let's get started. Since a hacky sack is designed to be tossed, kicked, and played with, it's important to make sure the starting end is extra secure. To do that, we'll begin with a double magic ring. It's very similar to a standard magic ring, except you'll wrap the yarn twice to create 2 loops instead of 1. This creates a stronger and more secure center that is less likely to loosen over time. You can see there are 2 loops here. That's what makes it a double magic ring. Round 1, put 6 single crochets into the magic ring. After you've worked all 6 stitches into the ring, insert your hook to the first single crochet to join the round. Next, gently pull the yarn tail. You'll notice a loop tightening first. Once you can see the ring starting to close, pull that loop gently to tighten the magic ring halfway. Then pull the yarn tail firmly to close the remaining gap and fully secure the magic ring. Well done! Round 1 finished, a great start. Round 2, put 2 single crochets in every stitch around. That's 6 consecutive increases. Bringing your stitch count from 6 in round 1 to 12 in round 2. Wonderful! That's the end of round 2, 12 stitches total. Round 3. Put a single crochet in the first stitch. Follow by 2 single crochets in the next stitch for an increase. Repeat this 1 single crochet, 1 increase pattern 5 more times. You'll have 18 stitches by the end of this round. Wonderful! This round leaves you with 18 stitches. Round 4, put a single crochet into the first 2 stitches. Follow by 2 single crochets in the next stitch for an increase. Repeat this 2 single crochets, 1 increase pattern 5 more times. You'll have 24 stitches by the end of this round. Great progress! End of this round. 24 stitches total. Round 5. Put a single crochet in the first 3 stitches. Follow by 2 single crochets in the next stitch for an increase. Repeat this 3 single crochets, 1 increase pattern, 5 more times. You'll have 30 stitches by the end of this round. Nice work! This round leaves you with 30 stitches. Round 6. Put a single crochet in the first 4 stitches. Follow by 2 single crochets in the next stitch for an increase. Repeat this 4 single crochets, 1 increase pattern, 5 more times. You'll have 36 stitches by the end of this round. "36 stitches in total. You're doing amazing! Round 7, put a single crochet in the first 5 stitches. Follow by 2 single crochets in the next stitch for an increase. Repeat this 5 single crochets, 1 increase pattern 5 more times. You'll have 42 stitches by the end of this round. Fantastic job! This round gives you 42 stitches. A standard hacky sack measures about 5 to 7.5 centimeter in diameter. If you're using a thicker yarn, your piece may already be close to 5 centimeter after completing round 6. If that's the case, you can skip round 7 and go straight to round 8. Just make sure you continue with a stitch count of 36 stitches around. Don't worry if your measurements are slightly different. Yarn thickness and tension vary from person to person. The goal is to create a hacky sack that feels comfortable to kick and catch. Now we'll start building the height of the hacky sack. Work 1 single crochet in each stitch around for the next 7 rounds. If you're following the standard pattern, that will be 42 stitches per round for 7 rounds. If you stopped at 36 stitches after round 6, work 1 single crochet in each stitch around for 6 rounds instead, with 36 stitches in each round. Then skip round 15 and continue directly with round 16. Don't worry if your stitch count differs from the sample. The most important thing is that your hacky sack is reaching the right size for your yarn and tension. Take your time. See you at the end of the rounds. Great progress! You should still see 42 stitches around. Now it's time to begin the decreases, which will help shape the hacky sack into a nice round ball. Round 15, put a single crochet in the first 5 stitches. Then bring the next 2 stitches together for a decrease. Insert your hook through front loop of each of the next 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull up a loop through both stitches. Then yarn over again and pull through both loops on the hook. Repeat this 5 single crochets and 1 decrease pattern 5 more times. You'll have 36 stitches by the end of this round. That completes the round. 36 stitches total. You're on track. Round 16. Put a single crochet in the first 4 stitches. Then bring the next 2 stitches together for a decrease. Repeat this 4 single crochets and 1 decrease pattern 5 more times. You'll have 30 stitches by the end of this round. Fantastic job! This round gives you 30 stitches. Round 17, put a single crochet in the first 3 stitches. Then bring the next 2 stitches together for a decrease. Repeat this 3 single crochets and 1 decrease pattern 5 more times. You'll have 24 stitches by the end of this round. All done! Another round completed with 24 stitches. Round 18. Put a single crochet in the first 2 stitches. Then bring the next 2 stitches together for a decrease. Repeat this 2 single crochets and 1 decrease pattern 5 more times. You'll have 18 stitches by the end of this round. Wonderful! Another round finished. Round 19. Put a single crochet in the first stitch. Then bring the next 2 stitches together for a decrease. Repeat this single crochet and decrease combo 5 more times. You finished with 12 stitches. Well done. Let's put the hook down for a moment. It's time to fill the hacky sack. I'm using poly pellets for the filling. If you'd like extra security, place a pantyhose or balloon in the piece before adding the filling. Since mine isn't intended for small children or commercial use, I'll simply add the poly pellets directly. You don't need to fully stuff it just yet. We still have another round to close the opening further before we firmly fill and shape the final piece. Round 20. We're in the home stretch now. Make 6 consecutive decreases to close up the opening. Fasten off and leave a long yarn tail for securing the opening. Time to fully stuff the piece before closing it off completely. You can use the handle of your crochet hook, a chopstick, or a pencil to guide the filling into the small opening. Add the filling a little at a time. This helps distribute the filling evenly. Give the piece a gentle squeeze every so often to help the filling settle into place. Most hacky sacks weigh somewhere between 40 to 65 grams. Mine measures about 5 centimeters in diameter, so it sits on the smaller end of the size range. I'm aiming for a finished weight of at least 40 grams, so I'll keep adding filling until I reach that target. Don't worry if it feels a little firm right now. That's completely normal. As the hacky sack gets tossed, kicked, and played with, the filling will settle and the fabric will naturally loosen up over time. That's why it's usually a good idea to start with a firmer fill. It will soften and break in with use, giving you a nicely shaped hacky sack in the long run. Use a tapestry needle and thread the yarn tail through the front loops of each remaining stitch. Then pull tight to close the opening completely. After that, weave the yarn tail through a few stitches to securely fasten the end and prevent it from loosening over time. For a more secure finish, run the yarn tail through a few stitches, then weave it back through a few stitches in the opposite direction. Congratulations! You've just made your own hacky sack. The green one here was originally stuffed just as firmly as the colored one. You can see how much softer and bouncier it has become. Have fun kicking your hacky sack. And don't worry, it will naturally break in over time. One 50 grams ball of Rickarumi Spin double knit yarn can easily make around 5 hacky sacks. Why not make a whole bunch and have plenty of extras for even more fun? If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep crocheting more cute and fun things together. Here are the color change schemes for the different designs. They all follow the same crochet pattern shown in the video. Feel free to mix and match your favorite colors. Or use the blank template to design your own. And create a one-of-a-kind hacky sack. See you soon!